my channel Z Tech. In this video we are going to learn how to fix Avast error. The application has failed to start because it's side by side. So let's start how we can solve this. You have to simply go to any browser that you used and type here Micro Visual C++, Microsoft Visual C++ latest, and press enter. And then you have to click on the link of Microsoft and right click it to open in a new tab. Then you can have to select the desired language that you want. Then simply click on download both 64 and 3086. Simply click on next and then your downloading will be start. As my net is quite fast, my download will complete fastly. So here it is. Here it is. After downloading, you have to install both of these one by one. Simply right click it and click as run as administrator. Remember to run it as administrator. Simply agreement and install it. Click on I agree the agreement or lessons or install it. Now for the next, simply you have to run as administrator. Simply click the I agreement again and install it. Then you have to restart your computer. I hope your problem will be solved. If you have any problem, comment below. I will try to solve it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.